What's going on, Rowdy Crew? If you didn't know already, I just got married. I'm just excited for me and my wife's next chapter together. Life's about to get exciting.
What's up, guys? Welcome to Florida Travels, Episode 1, Part 1. Just got married. I know, there's a video coming out. Don't worry. Hit the sub button. I'm with my wifey in the car. She's recording right now. Anyway, we're heading to Destin, Florida. We were going to go to Tampa, but the hurricane. It was a little muddy, but you know, Destin's just as good. So you're going to see me driving, you're going to see her driving, because we're going to take shifts. You're going to see a lot of B-roll, so enjoy it. Alright, we're actually in Horse Cave, where me and Brianna had our first vacation, and we have a long trip ahead of us. There it is, there is Nashville. It's like we're going a trip in memory lane. We went to Horse Cave, where our first vacation, I say it was. Kind of scandalous. Now, we're about to go to the city where we had one of our other vacations and my bachelor party. There she is. Sweet home Alabama. Florida. You can tell we're out here in Florida already. Alright, we're gonna go check in.
Okay, turn that, but I'll later.
I was doing a cool aesthetic.
When did you
Like,
bring that?
it was my bag. I made a cool aesthetic. I'm gonna go walk there for the sunset. Gonna pour the bourbon. Picture. Here's my beautiful wine.
It's only itching my nose.
You want the sip?
That one.
I'm not gonna drink the rest.
I thought you were taking a picture.
No. Oh, you actually go all the way up in it.
Oh my god.
If you can tell, my eye's on the right and hers is on the left. It looks like I have a lot of scar tissue on mine.
It's not. It's a freckle.
I think it's just a bunch of metal bit from not wearing safety glasses.
No, it's not.
But hers looks all nice and smooth.
No, yours is prettier than mine.
Hey again, it is day 2 of the honeymoon and I'm out here in the water trying to catch some little crabs, snow crabs and some seashells. This water is kind of chilly today, but later on today we're gonna go on this little dolphin cruise and hopefully get a few shots of some dolphins jumping out of the water near me.
Well.
Thought it would make for a better cinematic view, but we're in Panama. We saw the GPS coming. Anyway, we're here.
Before we leave, before we go fast, we gotta take a quick survey. Who's been on the Sea Screamer before? No, I do not see any babies in this group at all. It looks like all adults right now. And the dolphins have been kind of an interesting pattern lately. Yeah, I got it. Oh, you got perfect. Oh, that's perfect. All the dolphins are
Alright, we are on the Sea Runner right now. I am actually in the restroom and down below on the boat is sunset. It's been going great this last few days in Dawson. It's only Tuesday, so we're out for, you know, being on a beach vacation. It is very cold. I am wearing my appropriate hoodie for this what's the word? Adventure.
Cooper is excited.
Around the water and spin around really, really fast.
Oh, you got me.
Yeah, I got you.
I have to feed it with this little
You can't reach. He's like, get that out of my face.
Oh, he almost got
Oh,
it.
my bad. I'm trying to see one of the other ones, but oh my gosh.
Bro, I saw a shark. What'd you spot there?
It's a sharky worky.
Where's that pointed?
Right there.
It's a little baby shark. It's a baby tiger shark. Alright, we're here at Destin, Florida. This is a Rowdy Reels tour. I'm just kidding. So we're out here about to fish for some, honestly, I really don't know. but it's exciting to be out in the ocean. We just saw a baby shark for the first time, which is pretty wild. These people don't even know what they're swimming with. Oh, there's a big old crane, or whatever that is. Anyway, I'm trying to get my squid to thaw up here. That's kind of hard, but here's the squid. It's like frozen.
Zoom out. There we go.
But I'm gonna catch a few fishy fish. Here we are again at the beach.
Underwater?
Yeah.
Okay. Now?
It's cold.
Ready?
Yeah.
1. Oh, you spat on me.
I'm super cold. Whew. Not the sharkies. Whew. Thank you for watching Florida Travels. I hope you enjoyed the video. This has been a fun honeymoon, and I hope I can come back here to Florida, fish, and do all kinds of stuff. So